So we'll discuss one more topic about ISI. It is called eye diagram or eye pattern. Eye pattern or eye diagram. So what is the technique is about? This technique is basically refers to the measurement of interference or ISI using oscilloscope. That means in this technique we will be using this technique we use an oscilloscope, and in the oscilloscope, by using the oscilloscope we find out that how much ISI is present, how much interference is present, whether there is a less amount of interference or there is a more amount of interference. So this is, you can say, it's a oscilloscope method of determining amount of interference or ISI. So see, if we assume that this is my polar waveform, a 1 and a 0, and this 1 and a 0 is being passed to our oscilloscope, and this is my oscilloscope string. So in case if there is no ISI, if there is no interference, or if there is no ISI, what it will look like? The 1 will be coming as a proper 1 and the 0 will be coming as a proper 0. That means this amplitude will be same as this amplitude, and similarly this amplitude of 0 will be same as this amplitude. Again, repeat again, if there is no ISI, then the height of this pulse 1 will be same with this, and the height of this pulse 0 will be same with this. Now what will happen if there is some interference? So as you know, if there is some interference, then in that case this height of this 1 will decrease, it will become less. That means this height will be this height will be less than this height of 1. Similarly, the voltage level of 0 will also decrease due to interference from the adjacent pulse. If there is some interference from the adjacent pulse, the height of this voltage level or the height of this 0, this will also decrease. So it will become this. Apart from that, it will also become more slant. The 1 will appear something slant like this, and 0 will appear like something slant like this. This is a 1, this is a 0. So if I feed this signal into the oscilloscope, it will look like this. There is a slanter, this is a slanter waveform, slant edges of 1 and slant edges of 0. If I feed a 1, I'll get this waveform. If I feed a 0, I'll get this waveform. So this edges will be slant. Edges will be no longer being sharp. It will not be sharp anymore. It will be slant. Plus this height will be also less than this height, because due to interference this height will get reduced. It will get corrupted and it will get reduced. So this height will be less than this height. Similarly for the 0 also, this height will be less than this height. So if there is some interference, if some interference, and if we feed this 1 and 0 here, this 1, if we feed this 1 and 0, which is this 1 and 0 is having some interference effect, this 1 and 0 is having some interference effect. If we feed this 1 and 0 here, it will look like this. So this is called the eye. You see this and this thing and this thing. If we draw this, it looks like a human eye. It looks like a human eye. Okay. So that's why it's called. That is why it's called the eye pattern or the eye diagram. Basically, human eye. So EYE. And this is called the opening of the eye. If I take the middle point of the oscilloscope, this is the middle point of the oscilloscope, also the baseline of the oscilloscope. This height or this height is known as the eye opening. Amount of eye opening. So in this case, whatever the amount of eye opening will be there, obviously in this case the eye opening will be less, because in this case the level of 1 has been degraded. So from the baseline the height will be less as compared to this one. Similarly for level of 0, this 0 is also degraded. 0 voltage level is degraded, so it will come near to the baseline. So obviously this height will be less than this height. Now what will happen if the intersymbol interference is even more than in this case? If it is more, the intersymbol interference is even more in this case as compared to this case. So obviously the edges will become more slanter the edges will become more slanter. First point is that you in distributed phrase plus this eye opening, this heights will also become this from the baseline. The height of 1 or the height of 0 will also become less. That means here the eye opening will become less. So what is eye opening? I repeat again, from the baseline the height, this height is called eye opening, or from the baseline this height is called the eye opening. So this eye opening, amount of eye opening, I say eye opening will be less. So by looking at the oscilloscope, if we can conclude if the eye opening is very less, that means there is too much interference effect in this signal. Whereas if the eye opening is more, we can say there is very less ISI or very less interference effect, and more or less than 1 and 0 that you are receiving are very clean. But in this case, it is more noisy. The 1 and 0 that you are receiving is more noisy. This is basically eye pattern, and in this way, by using oscilloscope, we can find out the received 1 and 0 are having less interference effect or more interference effect, or in case less ISI or more ISI.